What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to turn your extra trophies into coal using an Obliterator in Valheim. So first things first, to get the Obliterator you're going to need this Thunderstone, and this Thunderstone is sold by Haldor, which is the merchant that is in the Black Forest. So you can see I'm here on the map. Basically, if you come like probably this close to him on the map, even if you haven't explored the area, it'll show you this little like money bag symbol, and you'll be able to go in that general direction and find him. So just keep finding new Black Forest biomes and you will find him eventually, and then you can talk to him and you'll see this Thunderstone costs 50 coins. So you just give him 50 coins, you get the Thunderstone, and when you pick it up you'll see you'll unlock the Obliterator recipe. So if you go use your hammer, for example, you'll see the Obliterator now shows up here under crafting. So let's go home and let's use it and see how it works. Oh, and I'm being raided. Fantastic. Okay, I'll make a jump cut and then I'll show you how it works after I defend this raid. Alright, I've dealt with the raid now, so I'm back home. So I have my hammer and we'll need a forge nearby, as you can see in the right next to the Thunderstone. A forge is required. So if you have a forge nearby, you need 8 iron and 4 copper. Then you're able to place this Obliterator down. So I have infinite build on, so that's why I don't have that in my inventory, the 8 iron and 4 copper, but most likely you'll need that. So here's the Obliterator, and all you have to do is put in a trophy. Make sure you put in one type of trophy at a time. Do not put in, let me go grab a trophy. Do not put in like 2 stacks of, let's say, deer trophies and troll trophies. It only will give you like, I don't know, let's say if you put 13 deer trophies and 13 troll trophies, it's going to give you only 13. So make sure you only put one kind of trophy at a time, and then it'll give you the correct amount. Don't put in 2 kinds, otherwise you won't get what you want out of it. It's kind of glitchy that way, so be warned. I'm going to put in a deer trophy right now, and then we'll see it. And actually you can throw an item this way too, but it won't give you anything for it. So let's say I want to get rid of these bone fragments. That's fine. And now I come here, pull the lever. And now I can check it, and there's a coal for the deer trophy. So that's how you turn your extra trophies into coal from in Valheim, guys. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.